Is your bathroom looking outdated or too plain? In 2026, bathroom design has moved way beyond being just a functional space. Today, bathrooms are becoming mini sanctuaries, places to relax, recharge, and show off your style. In this video, we'll explore 100+ bathroom design ideas and interior trends for 2026. From minimalist looks to luxury spas, you'll discover fresh ideas that can inspire your next renovation. 1. Minimalist and modern bathrooms. Minimalism continues to dominate in 2026. Simple, clean, and clutter-free spaces. Floating vanities. Sleek designs that make the bathroom look bigger. Walk-in showers with frameless glass. A seamless, open look. Neutral color palettes. Whites, beiges, and light grays remain timeless. Hidden storage. Push-to-open drawers that keep everything tucked away. Pro tip: minimalist bathrooms look best when combined with good lighting to enhance their simplicity. 2. Luxury spa-inspired designs. More homeowners are turning their bathrooms into spa-like retreats. Freestanding tubs, elegant centerpieces for relaxation. Rainfall showers with LED lighting, a luxurious showering experience. Marble and quartz surfaces, perfect for countertops and walls. Backlit mirrors, a trend that adds both style and function. Pro tip: pair natural stone with warm lighting to create a calm, spa-like atmosphere. 3. Bold colors and statement walls. Not everything in 2026 is neutral. Bold bathrooms are making a comeback. Dark colors, navy, emerald green, and matte black are trendy. Accent walls with tiles, geometric or mosaic tiles that pop. Patterned flooring, bold prints that make small bathrooms feel lively. Colorful sinks and basins, unique shapes and finishes. Adding one bold element can transform an otherwise simple bathroom. 4. Nature-inspired bathrooms. Bringing the outdoors in is one of the biggest design trends. Wood accents, vanities, shelving, or ceiling beams in natural finishes. Stone basins, organic, sculptural sinks. Indoor plants, adding greenery for freshness. Natural light, large windows or skylights whenever possible. These designs make your bathroom feel warm, relaxing, and more connected to nature. 5. Smart and functional bathrooms. Technology is also shaping bathrooms in 2026. Smart mirrors with anti-fog features, lighting, and even touch controls. Automatic faucets and toilets. For hygiene and water saving. Heated floors and towel racks. Comfort-focused innovations. Built-in Bluetooth speakers. Perfect for music or podcasts while you relax. Pro tip: smart features add convenience but also increase home value. 6. Small bathroom design hacks. Even tiny bathrooms can look stunning with the right design. Wall-mounted toilets, save floor space. Corner sinks and showers, utilize awkward spaces. Oversized mirrors, create the illusion of more space. Glass dividers instead of walls, keeps the room airy and open. Smart layouts make small bathrooms feel bigger and more functional. So, those are 100+ bathroom design ideas and interior trends for 2026. From sleek minimalist looks and spa-like retreats to bold statement walls and smart innovations. Which trend would you love in your bathroom? A spa-inspired tub, bold tiles, or smart technology? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other videos on modern kitchen trends, living room design ideas, and wall decor inspirations for 2026. Because in 2026, your bathroom isn't just a utility space, it's your personal sanctuary.